What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox. Your purchase failed because something went wrong. So if you're getting this issue here in Roblox, well, there are a few things here that you may want to check. So usually if you have a Roblox account, you can go to the more section at the bottom right here. And if you scroll down a bit here, you can go to settings. Now under settings, you should see payment methods here. Now the thing with this specific issue here is sometimes if your payment method here is not verified, so for example, the card itself is expired, well, your payment or the process for your payment here may not work. So it's a great idea to visit your payment methods here and see if they are still valid. Now if they are not valid anymore, usually in this page, you should be able to delete them. But this depends on what device you're using. Now you can manage this in this page here if you're using iOS, but if you're using Android, it's a bit different in our case. So what you need to do is you want to open up Google Play Store here, and you want to go ahead and go to your games at the bottom left here. Click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen. Now what you need to do here, you want to go and choose the payments and subscription section, and you want to go and choose payment methods. And again, you want to go and start managing your payment methods in this section here. And you should have the option to basically review them. So again, if they are no longer valid, make sure to replace them with a valid a valid card that you can use for your payment. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to clear the cache for Roblox. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and look for Roblox in your mobile device here. But once you do see Roblox, or if you don't want to look at them manually here, you can just go to your settings here. Let's open up settings. And you want to scroll down a bit here and you want to look for apps. And under apps, you want to go and just go to search and just type in Roblox. And in Roblox here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and access. By the way, let's go and close this one real quickly. Research it again. Roblox, you want to open it up. Click on clear data at the bottom right. Click on clear cache. And okay. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.